No, still. There you go. Whew. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I wanted to give you an update on what I'm doing, what the progress is so far. I ripped into the engine and I'll show you what was taken off of the car today. Unfortunately, as life is, I had some people coming over for dinner tonight, so I had to rush and get everything done. Could not completely do the rest of the tear down of the engine. I'll show you what I've done so far, and if you stick around, I'll give you like a good time lapse of the whole process of what I did today. Stick around for the next episode. We're gonna get deeper into the car and get that camshaft out and get everything rolling. Talk to you later. Bye. Alright, we got the radiator and the condenser out. Half of the balancer. I still got to pull the hub off. Got to pull the opti off. Timing cover. Got to drop the pan to get the timing cover off because it's a one-piece gasket that goes around. I don't want to rip that. And, you know, the intake. She's nice and clean in there. She's a fresh rebuild. Zero problems in here. And again, working in this small garage, you got to be really organized with all your tools and everything laid down. These are the parts that came off the car so far. All nice and neat. Make sure to scratch the car or whatever this shitty paint is. But yeah, you can see I am tightly packed in here. And everything is pretty organized. I try to keep as best as I can in this confined space. Okay, give you an update tomorrow.
That's good.